We gotta go, there's traffic, and we're taking too long. We gotta move.
Slow down, I think we're forgetting something.
Don't worry, we're not forgetting anything.
Actually, you may be forgetting your emergency roadside kit. Hey Texas, Safety Education Sergeant Rob Mallory here with the Texas Department of Public Safety, reminding you before you head out for your holiday travels to think about packing an emergency travel kit, which should include water, your non-perishable food, blanket just in case it gets cold, first aid kit, jumper cables, portable phone charger so you can stay in touch with friends and family, and a flashlight, but be sure to double check those batteries. We hope you don't run into issues during your holiday travel, but it's always good to be prepared. Troopers will be out this holiday weekend to ensure that you get to your destination safely and enjoy time with friends and family.